I'm going to hold your hands while I say this. AI is not here to take your job and leave you jobless. Hi guys, I know it's been a minute since my last YouTube upload, but basically I went away to get better at my design, to learn more and just grow in general. And this feels like the right time to come back and share this growth with you all. So for the last 2 years, design has undergone major evolution from Figma adding intelligence to prompt-based design becoming mainstream, and now new platforms are just emerging rapidly. And so I get it if you panic and think that AI is here to take your job and leave you jobless. But here's what I'm going to say is that I think we should use this tool to our advantage. Yeah, I know that speed is cool because that's the major thing that comes with most of these new AI products. But at the end of the day, clarity and user understanding is still what matters when it comes to our designs. So in this video, I'm going to be running through some AI products that I've used personally to help me upgrade my my designs. Yeah, and I think you should try them out too. Yeah, because I mean these are going to be the major like AI products in 2026. So that being said, let's get right into this video. First on my list is going to be Moonchild. So I recently came across Moonchild and it has been a game changer for me when it comes to design. The way it works is that it doesn't design for you. Basically, like, you're like the creative director. So that's the word. Yeah, that's how it feels like while when I use Moonchild. But you know what? Don't take my word for it. Let me show you what Moonchild looks like and let's try it out a little bit. So now you open your browser and you input this URL moonchild.ai into your search bar, and this is what you're expected to see. You can sign up for free. That is how amazing this platform is, and you also get to join their community. I think I'm calling it design community because there are a bunch of designers that are there. So you can join their community, and like they are like a bunch of amazing people. So I would suggest you do that. So let's get right into it. So this is what Moonchild looks like. As you can see, I'm already going through it myself. I've done a couple of projects. So let's start from scratch. This is the section where you input your you give it a prompt. Give it like it just says here, describe your design idea. So anything you have in mind, just put it here and it's going to come up with that for you. So I already have a prompt that I've copied and pasted already. So this is what we're going to use to see how it's going to generate this UI. And the amazing thing is it doesn't just it generates your high fidelity UI like immediately. Like that is what it goes straight forward to that. And it is quick, it is fast and very efficient. You think it's going to be fast and it's not going to like it is fast and very efficient and still gives you the opportunity to to be the creative director of your design. You don't have to like stare at a blank canvas for hours and trying to iterate and brainstorm. While that all that is good, the amazing thing here is that it gives you something good that you can walk off, like you can walk off that while still saving you time. That is one thing I find very amazing about Moonchild. So it's already bringing up our UI one by one. And another thing I find really amazing about this is that it doesn't force a visual style on you. It gives you usable structure. Exactly. That's the word. It gives you usable structure, like a starting point that respects hierarchy, spacing, and actual product thinking. And while it does all of these things, it doesn't feel like it's designing for you. You still have that creative control. And when I realized I could copy my designs and actually paste it on Figma and make my iteration, because I'm really comfortable with Figma as a designer. I'm really comfortable with Figma as much as I love this platform. And but when I copied it and pasted it on Figma, it just took it to a whole different amazing level for me. So let's look at what we have going on. So this is what it came up with after analyzing our prompts, and this looks really good. Like this looks really good. Let me try zoom in a little bit. All right. So this is what it looks like. Now tell me that this has not solved like 75% of your design needs as a designer. No, just tell me now. I mean, look at this. You can work off this and you'll be done with your work in no time, and you'll still be delivering quality. That's just what's amazing about Moonchild. So you can try this for yourself and let me know how it goes for you. So moving on to our next AI platform that designers should be using in 2026. That is gonna be Figma Make. Now this is what Figma Make looks like. And with Figma Make, you have an AI powered design and build tool. That's what this tool is about. It's a perfect tool for when you want to, like, if you want to go from prompt to prototype all inside Figma. Like, just try to imagine that. So now let's give, this is where we input our prompt. You give it a prompt on what you want it to do for you, and it basically comes up with it. It's like it has a design and a working prototype to work off from. Like, think about that. It basically helps you with the whole flow, not just screens, like interactions as well. So let's check something out. You input your prompts, and so I'm just giving it a prompt. So while we wait for our prompt to analyze and give us something to work off, one thing that stands out for me again in this Figma Make is that everything works within an ecosystem. Like, it helps you connect design and code straightforward. So you can hop on this. Hopefully this does not take too much time anymore. You can hop on this and just play around it, get to see now this is what it is. This is what we got from this is what we got from our prototype, sorry, from from our draft. Now we just click on next. You can see how this is already a full functioning prototype. Let's click on previous and see. It works. It works. Click on get started, and that's just it. It shows everything you actually asked it to show. This is also an amazing tool that I think designers should be like, this is what you should be using now to level up your design, especially in 2026. So next on our list is UX Pilot, and this is another amazing tool. It works on the web. I don't know if it has an app, but I use it on the web whenever I use it, and it's not one I've actually explored like that. I've not explored it so much. So this is the section where you input your prompts, basically what you want it to do for you. So what makes this different from others is that UX Pilot is for UX designers. It's for UX designers who want structure, you want early validations and behavior insights, basically. They offer like free tier credits. Like, they offer you credits to like do stuff, like do basically what you want to do on it. It's not exactly free. It's not one that, like, what they offer in their free tier with credits, and then they have paid plans starting from like around $15 per month. So if you're looking to explore, if you're a UX designer and you're looking to explore AI tools that are UX designer minded, I think this is what's going to work for you. What makes it different from other tools is the heat map prediction. It shows you where users are likely to skip, where they are likely to tap, where you're likely to get conversions and get hesitations. Basically, that is what this does for UX designers. So it helps you predict things before it actually happens, before the event, before you even get to test the design. Yeah. So it's a huge UX decision making platform. So if you want something like simpler and more flexible and great for non-designers too, then you should check out what's next on our list, which is the UIzard.
Now I love this interface. It is so sleek. This is another platform that I haven't exactly explored like that as much as I've explored other previous ones that we've mentioned earlier. I love the spacing. It's clean, basically. It's clean. You know what you're looking for. You find it. You can give it to your prompt, import your sketches, and even convert your screenshots into editable UI. That's how great it is. You have templates that you can work off. You have amazing templates that you can work off as a beginner. And if you have a team, you guys can actually converge here and basically get work done. So this is an amazing this is another amazing tool that I think designers should be trying out to level up their designs. This is one tool that I started using like a couple years back and have not exactly gone back to it because I've gotten what I'm looking for in others, but this works. This works too if you're a beginner. This works perfectly. So, and next on our list, which is going to be the last, is Google Stitch. So Google Stitch has is one tool that when I first saw it, I was like, okay, Google is really diversing, and I like it for them. So what's interesting about Google Stitch is because it blends design with code, like in a single AI pipeline. That's how amazing it is. So you prompt a screen or upload a sketch, and it's basically Stitch will generate the UI. It will generate the UI and production level HTML or CSS. Yeah. So design plus code. That's what you get here. So that's how this works. You input your prompt and then you get right into it. So right now, Stitch is free under Google Labs. It is experimental but potentially huge. That's what I'm going to say. And that being said, that brings us to a wrap on all these amazing AI platforms that I think designers should be using in 2026.
So, after checking out all these amazing AI products that designers can use to upgrade or level up their design journey in 2026, I'm still going to say my fave has to be Moonchild, and reason being that it is really really designer minded. I mean, that's just me. I'm inviting you to check them out yourselves. The links are going to be in the description below. Check them out. Let us know in the comment section which one works best for you and why. Yeah, so that being said, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.